Today we'll be talking about types of cells. You do need your notebook, but we don't have very many notes we're going to write down. So your title can be either types of cells or it could be plants versus animal cells. Either one works. Our goal today is to be able to compare and contrast plant and animal cells. So we have to be able to tell what's similar between them and what is different. Take a look at these two cells. I want you to tell me, how are these cells similar? You can pick anything. You might have said, oh, they both have a nucleus, they both have cytoplasm, or they both have a cell membrane or mitochondria, right? All of those would be similar. Or you might have said, they're both cells. Well, that's similar. Now I want you to tell me, how are these two cells different? You might have told me, oh, well, the plant cell has a cell wall and chloroplasts and a vacuole, or the plant cell is more rectangular, the animal cell is more circular, right? Here are our differences between plant cells and animal cells. So we're going to go ahead and write these down. This is the one slide we're writing down from this. So we're writing down plant cells are different from animal cells because they have three things. So our plant cells have three special things. The first thing they have is a cell wall. Okay, it's that extra layer around the outside. If we go back here, you can see this extra orange layer, that's the cell wall. The reason plants need a cell wall, they need extra structure. Animals a lot of times have bones or they have other things that provide structure, right? So our skeleton helps hold us upright. Plants don't have a skeleton, so they need really strong cells to make sure that they don't fall over and they can stand upright. Plant cells also have a really big vacuole, okay? Animal cells have a vacuole too. I know it's not pictured in here, but in plant cells, it's huge. Okay, think about why it might need to store a lot of water. Well, plants can't get up and go get a drink whenever they want. They have to rely on the rain. If you're an animal and you can move, you can just go get a drink from a pond or a river, or if you're a human, from the sink. And then the last thing that plant cells have is they've got chloroplasts, these little green guys in here. Chloroplasts are important for doing photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is turning light into sugar. So plant cells are different from animal cells because plant cells have these three special parts that animal cells do not.